Dear learners, how are you feeling today? Hope feeling good and doing well. Come on, let us discuss about relation and function part 6. Functions. A special type of relation called functions. See the diagram. Cartesian product, relation, function. A relation f between two non-empty sets x and y is called a function from x to y if for each x belongs to x and y belongs to y. A function is also called a mapping or transformation. Every function is a relation. Every function is a relation. But relation is not a function. Every relation is not a function. Functions are subset of relations. Relations are subset of Cartesian product. See that. By seeing the diagram, you can understand. If f a to b, set a to b is a function, then set a is called domain and set b is called codomain. See the array diagram. Relations are given. 4 ordered pairs are getting here. Each element in set A is mapped with set B. Each element in set A is mapped with set B. Here 2 is called image of 1, 4 is called image of 2. But same way, 1 is called pre-image of 2 and 2 is called pre-image of 4. Okay. See here. Each element in set A is mapped with set B. Each element in set A is mapped to a single element. It is important. Single element to set B. That's why this relation is called function. This relation is called function. So domain of function is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain of function is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And range is whatever mapped. Look at here. This is a function. Each input corresponds to a single output. There should be single output. Here also you see each input corresponds to a single output. So this is a function. Look at now. B has 2 outputs. So this is not a function. Each input should have only one output, a single output. Here you see 4 does not have any output. So this is not a function. 4 is not mapped. Look at this. This is also not a relation because 1 is mapped with 2 elements. 1 has 2 images. 1 has 2 outputs. So it is not a function. The range of a function is a subset of its codomain. A function which has either or one of its subset as its range is called real valued function. A function's domain is also either or subset of or. It is called real function. So real valued function and real function. Really it should be subset. Okay. Now let us discuss some functions and their graphs. First, we are going to see about identity function. Identity function means x and y both have same values. Look at here. 1, 1, 5, 5, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus. So we get graph like this. F of x equal to y. Constant function. Next. Constant function means y remains same. x1, y3, x5, y3, x minus 2, y3. Like this. Here this is like this. Then polynomial function. Polynomial function can be quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. This is quadratic polynomial. Y equal to x square. We get graph like this. Y equal to x cube. If cubic polynomial, we get graph like this. Rational polynomial. Rational polynomial should be p by q, right? So f of x equal to 1 by x. We get graph like this. It's an example for rational function. Let us see. Modulus function. Modulus function, one example. Here. X whatever value, but y must be positive. So we get modulus function like this. Next, signum function. Signum function means x 0 means y also 0. X more than 0 means y will be 1. If x is less than 0 means y will be minus 1. Only 3 values. So the graph will be like this. Greater integer function. So x value whatever it may be, the greater integer nearby whatever is there, that we have to choose. See the interval. The greater integer only we are taking. 0 to minus 1. 0 is not included. So minus 1 is the greater integer. Then 0 to plus 1. 0 is included but 1 is not equal. So 0 is the greater integer likewise. Now let us discuss about algebra of relation functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and so on. Look at addition of two real functions is equal to f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x for all x belongs to x. Same way, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. It's here should be minus. Okay, f minus g. Then alpha f of x is equal to alpha f of x. This is a scalar, multiplication by a scalar, multiplication by a scalar. Multiplication of two real functions. So fg of x is equal to f of x times g of x. So for all x belongs to capital X. Then quotient of two real functions. The quotient of f by g denoted by f by g of x equal to f of x by g of x, provided g of x not equal to 0. X belongs to set x. Hope you like this video and you enjoyed learning. Subscribe for more videos and let us see next.